guys, this is the Diecast photographer, and yes, this is the first ever unboxing video on this channel. So yes, we have got the bunch of 4 cars, 3 Hot Wheels and 1 Matchbox. So let's move on to the video. Okay, so the first car we got the Nissan 370Z. So yeah, I mean, like, it looks really amazing. The car art looks really good. So let's move it and open it. So let's open it, and yes, this casting is really cool. It has got the front headlight tampos and the Nissan logo, but on the back unfortunately there is no tampos. Like, what? Why Hot Wheels? You should have had tampos. And on the back we got the 2 exhaust pipes. It's a really cool casting. I love it. So let's move on to the next car, Lamborghini Gallardo LP564. This is one of my most favorite Lamborghini collections. I'm myself a Lamborghini fan. I have more than like 15 Lamborghinis. So yeah, this is one of the coolest cars in my collection. So let's open it. So from the first look, it has a white metallic finish. I mean, like, wow, it really looks so cool. It got the front headlight tampos, the Lamborghini logo, and on the back, fortunately, and yes, we got the tampos and this mesh type thing. It looks really great. I don't know why, but these are from the both of the same series, but the Nissan got no tampos. I don't know why. Hot Wheels, why did you do that? You should have had tampos. The wheels look very great. The chrome wheels, I love this casting. It's going to be a gem in my collection. So yeah, so let's move on to the next car. So let's open this car, and from the first feel, oh my god, it's a really heavy car. The tampos are really awesome. I love the tampos. This United Kingdom tampo, and the Urban Outlaw, it's written Magnus Walker. I mean, like, if you're a Hot Wheels collector, you should know he's a Magnus Walker. He's a Porsche collector, and he does have this 277 written Porsche. It's a great casting. I mean, I really love it. The wheels is pretty unique. It's a 5-spoke wheel, rear rider wheel with rubber tires, metal base. It's an awesome car. I really love this car. But the car art is really awesome. I love this car. It's an amazing car. So let's move on to the next Matchbox car, and one of the most awaited cars. So now this is a Lamborghini Centenario. We are waiting for the unboxing of this car. From the first look, I am just so excited to open this. The scissor doors are actually making me more tempted to open. Actually, in my country I don't get much of the Matchbox moving parts, but I'm fortunate that I could actually find these. I couldn't find the Bugatti Divo, but yeah, I hopefully find it one day. So let's open this car, and yes, the car art is really good, but I feel the Hot Wheels premium ones car art are way better as compared to the Matchbox car. So you only tell me in the comments, like, which you think is a better one. So yes, finally the Centenario is here. Really awesome casting. I love this casting. The scissor doors are just awesome. But the fun fact is that the scissor doors are actually made up of plastic. It's a bit shocking for me, because the whole body is made up of metal, but these are actually plastic. Weird, right? On the back, it's awesome. I can't tell how detailed this is. I mean, just, I don't have any words for the detail. Awesome. I mean, like, Matchbox, hats off to you guys. Awesome casting. I'm actually trying to find the Bugatti Divo, but I hopefully find it one day. I can't find it. So it's an awesome casting. The car is actually pretty big as compared to the other Hot Wheels. I mean, like, here you have a look. This is the Gallardo. I feel it's a pretty long car. So guys, comment down below which you think is the best car over here. For me, it's Centenario, gets 10 out of 10. The Porsche 911 gets 9.5 out of 10. The Lamborghini Gallardo takes 9, and the Nissan 370Z takes 8.5. Comment down below which you think is the best car. And thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for more photography and unboxing and review videos.